morning, my dear children. I'm your teacher, Savita ma'am from Sanskriti School. Children, I'm so glad to see you all again after such a long time. Yes, we were having vacations, right, children? Summer vacations. Oh, I enjoyed my vacations a lot. I did so many things, children, that I always wanted to do. And I really enjoyed my vacations. But I was very eager to come back and, meet you all. What about you? Did you enjoy your vacations? I'm sure you all must have done lots of masti and maja at home. Must have eaten lots of ice cream and must have slept for a long time. Yes, I know. Vacations are like that, children. You can have fun and lots of fun, right? So after the vacations, but children, one thing I wanted to give you all a very big thumbs up, to you all. But why? Do you want to know why ma'am is giving you a thumbs up? Yes, children, because now you all are learning to stay at home happily. I'm sure now you are not cribbing or you are not complaining about that you have to be at home. No, you all are so happily staying home, children. Very good. A big thumbs up to you all. So, after the vacations now, we are back to school. Yes. I know we are not back to our school, but we are back together to learn so many things together and discuss and share many things. Yes. So before we went for vacations, children, how many of you remember that we learned many things, of course, right? You heard many stories and songs and all that. But one thing I want you to remember is that I think we told you a story about two trees. There was an apple tree and mango tree. Yes, you remember that. And we learned how it feels when you share and care. I know you have heard it many times. I have spoken about it many times. But this is something, children, very important, and I love to talk about this beautiful thing called sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Right, children? You all have learned that. Very good, children. So today it's first day after the summer break, and I thought that what should we do? What do you think the first day, what do you feel like doing and what we do in school? Children, I think we sing songs and we play games and teachers tell you stories, and that's how we spend the first day after the summer break, right? Yes, so the same thing we are going to do today. I'm going to tell you a story. Yay! We love to listen to stories. Yes, the story is about this girl, children. What should we keep her name? Tell me quickly. Tina. Okay, Tina. So this is the story of Tina. Children, it was a Sunday morning, and Tina was feeling very happy after her breakfast. She was feeling very energetic also, and she was very happy for one more reason. Children, she was very happy because the other day Mummy and Daddy have bought a nice purse for her. And she was very happy and she was very fond of this purse, and she was carrying it with her wherever she was going. So she said, Mama, I have got such a nice bag, so I want to go and show this to my friends. So may I go to the garden? The garden was very close by. So Mummy said, okay Tina, go, but be careful. So Tina said, yes Mama, bye Mama, and she said goodbye to Mama. And then she thought, let me quickly go to the garden and show this bag to my friends. So while she was going, she started to go. Yeah, so while she was going, Mummy said, Tina, wait, take this water bottle and keep it with you. You might feel thirsty. She said, thank you, Mama. And then she was going. She was going. And children, while she was walking around, she stopped. and she saw that there is a plant, and the plant was little drying out. The leaves were all turning yellow, and looks like she thought, oh, nobody's watering this plant. So she put her bag down, children, here, and then she took her water bottle and she went to water the plant. She was sitting here and she was watering the plant, children. Now while she was doing, children, what happened? Something fell inside her bag. And then she came back and she took her bag and she again went ahead. While she was going ahead, children, she stopped. She looked down and she saw that there is an insect. She quickly took her bag down and she took a dry leaf like that and she helped the insect come on the leaf, and she went and she carefully, very carefully left it on a plant. Wow. And then when she was doing this, children, something fell inside her bag. She came back and she took her bag. She was very fond of her bag. She took her bag and then she started to walk again. Yeah, then she walked this side. The garden was here. Oh, she saw that somebody has eaten chips and threw the packet there, left it there only. She didn't like it. We never do that, she said. She kept her bag down and she went to pick it up. She thought, let me pick it up and I will put it in the dustbin. And she took the wrapper in her hand, children, and she went to put it in the dustbin. Here, the dustbin was somewhere here. So while she was doing it, children, something fell inside her purse. Oh, she came back and she took her purse and then she walked again. Now while she was walking, she saw that there is a tap. Oh, somebody has left the tap open and the water is being wasted. She didn't like it. She has learned that we must save water. She quickly went and she was closing the tap. While she was doing it, children, something again fell inside her bag. Oh, she came back. She didn't know what's happening. She took her bag and then she went. She went to see her friends. She kept her bag there and then she played a lot with her friends. There were so many of her friends, children, and they all were there and they all played for a very long time. They sat and they shared cookies. This girl had some cookies, so she shared her cookies with her and they had spoke for a long time, played for a long time, and then she remembered, oh, it's late, I must go home. Mama must be waiting for me. Bye, bye. And then she took her bag again and she started going home. Now this time when she took her bag, she thought, my bag is a little heavy. I don't know why. But then she still went home. She went home and then she sat down. I am tired, Mama. Mama said, why are you tired? She said, Mama, I had a nice time, but I don't know. My bag seems to be very heavy. It wasn't that heavy. Oh, Mama said, what could be the reason? Let me have a look at your bag. Mama said, oh, there is some thing in your bag. I can feel something. Mama put her hand inside. Oh, children, do you want to know what is there in her bag? You remember what happened? Every time when she was doing some nice kind deed, she was doing some kind help to somebody, something was falling inside her bag, yes? When she watered this plant, something fell. When she took the insect on a leaf and safely kept it aside, something fell. When she went to pick up the chips packet, something fell. And when she went to close the tap, something fell. She said, Mama, what is this? Let me see, let me see. Mama said, okay, let me take it out, Tina. How wonderful. Children, do you know what is this? Can you see here? Oh, children, look here. Her bag is filled with happiness, happy faces, smiley faces. Look, so many are there. Wow, I can't even count. Yes, yes, wonderful. Now can you see them? Let me put them in my hand so that you can see them. Her bag was filled with happiness, children. Yeah. Look here. Tina, you also have a look. Look here. Wow. That's so amazing. Right, children? All this her bag is filled with happiness because she did so many nice deeds. She helped so many people and she was such a caring and happy girl. Wonderful. So she has earned this happiness for herself and for everybody around them. Oh, that was lovely, children. I'm so glad to see this girl who is so caring and who loves to share just like you all. Yes, children, I'm sure you all have enjoyed this story a lot and you all are going to share the things with your friends and care for them and spread the happiness around. Wow, we all are happy children and we all are happy. We are happy children of Sanskriti School. Let's clap for each other. Yay! Good job. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's all for today, children. It was the first day after the summer break and I hope you all have enjoyed this story session. But children, when we meet next time, I want you all to tell me or share with us everything that makes you very happy and what all have you shared or cared for during the vacations. Okay, let's do that. So goodbye for now, children. Have a lovely day.